Hey, it's Ryan with S&B. Wanted to give you an overview of our dual steering stabilizer kits. We've got two different part numbers, one for the 250, 350, and then one for all the wide track 450 trucks with the larger front axle. Biggest things about our stabilizers are going to be extremely strong. So we've done everything with double shear bolts, billet clamps for the tie rod, and that's going to make sure this thing never flexes so that you're getting full stabilization and that this isn't just taking up some of that flex when you turn. These are designed to work with stock height trucks. You don't need to lift the truck at all. It's a big thing, especially in the 450 world. With most of our lift kits, we work with we call it our Steady Track system. We bolt a ATS Fox stabilizer, fully adjustable, right to the pitman arm here in these trucks. This is going to work great for tire sizes up to about 37-inch tires. And this is only going to work on the 250 and 350 trucks. On the wide track, this pitman arm, this travel gets too long. This doesn't work, so our only solution is the dual stab. But also if you're going 38 or 40-inch tires, we recommend adding the dual stabilizer bracket and then backing down the ATS stabilizer up here because it's fully adjustable. But we still always recommend running this as the first line of steering stabilization. As it's bolted directly to the pitman arm, it's going to give you the best effect in terms of feeling that steering feedback through the wheel.